Good afternoon. My name is Sabina. I'm from Poland. Came to United States when I was 18 years old and currently live in Florida. Welcome to my kitchen. I would like to share with you all the experience I have cooking Polish food. Not only Polish, but anything else I cook for my family in my kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare roasted root vegetables, which go really well with any meat, chicken, pork, fish, anything you like. And what you need is vegetables of your choice, some olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. That's pretty much it. Roasted vegetables, they bring the sweetness when roasting and they have this amazing flavor all by itself. You don't need much spices to it. Let me show you how I do it. Welcome. I cut up the regular potatoes in smaller pieces and I try to cut them up to be almost the same size. It doesn't have to be perfect because that's really hard to get everything perfect, but if they are cut up into almost the same pieces, they're gonna cook evenly. So that's the key. Otherwise you will have some potatoes who are kind of mushy and some of them that are almost there but on the harder side. So with those potatoes I'm gonna put just a little bit of olive oil, some garlic. I love garlic. I don't like onions that much, but garlic I do love. A little bit salt and black pepper. Just mix it up. So potatoes are the only ones that I do put some seasoning on. Everything else brings, when roasted vegetables bring the sweetness. You don't need anything, just the olive oil. So my carrots are cut up into slices like this, and beets kind of thin. Beets take a little bit longer to cook, so that's why I pay attention that I do cut them up a little bit thinner than everything else. And then I have sweet potatoes, and again with sweet potatoes I try to cut it up almost the same size so they cook, the slices cook evenly. And then with parsnip, what I wanted to say is every time I cut the parsnip I cut it, the whole piece, but the thing inside here, sometimes it gets really I don't even know how to describe it, tough, very tough and hard to eat. So I actually cut just the edges of it and toss the middle part away. That way I know I can enjoy the whole thing without having issue eating it or biting into it. So just a little tip. So as you see, my vegetables are cut up and all together now. Potatoes I put in the middle, everything is covered in olive oil. Those are ready to go into the oven. If you want to add cauliflower or broccoli or zucchini, squash, any of those softer vegetables, you have to remember they take a little less time to cook than the ones I have here. So what I do is now I will cover this dish, put it in the oven at 425 degrees, and then 15 to 20 minutes later I would add up the zucchini, the squash, cauliflower, broccoli, and cover again another 10-15 minutes. And before this is all done, take the foil out and bake it uncovered, so you have this crispiness and they have this nice wonderful color to it. So let's put it in the oven. So it's been about 30 minutes now. I took the cover out and just mix it a little bit, spread it out evenly. Another 15 minutes of roasting without the cover now. Looks so gorgeous. I mean, the colors are so bright, wonderful. I cannot wait to eat it. Look at those are done. And I fixed myself a plate. I might look little and weight 105, but I do like to eat. Bon appetit! Smacznego! Until next time! Thank you very much.